Hey guys, today we're going to take a cold backup of our Raspberry Pi's SD card on a Windows machine. So the first thing you need to do, physically remove the SD card from the Raspberry Pi and plug it into your computer. We're going to use a tool called Win32 Disk Imager to take an image of our SD card. I really enjoy the tool because it's extraordinarily simple to use whenever you know how, and you'll find a link to this tool in the video description below. The first thing that's going to happen whenever you plug your SD card into Windows is it's going to tell you it can't read it and ask you if you want to format it. Don't do this, select cancel. We're going to go ahead here and choose the location in which we want to store the image that we're taking. So normally for me this would be a network location with plenty of redundancy so that we don't lose the backup image, but for the purpose of this demo I'm just going to store it on my desktop. You should store it somewhere safe that you can be confident it's not going to get lost or damaged or corrupt though. So I'm just going to go ahead and name the image backup and then hit enter. And then on the right hand side you can see that the device that's been selected is the E device, which is the removable SD card that I've entered into the machine. So that's perfect, we don't need to do anything there. Then the next thing that we're going to want to do is select this option that says read only allocated partitions. So this option is pretty important. What this means is that Win32 Disk Imager is only going to take an image of the parts of the disk that actually has information on it. So if you've got a 32 gigabyte SD card, but you've only got 5 gigabytes of information on it, it's going to make a 5 gigabyte disk image. If you don't select this option and you've got a 32 gigabyte SD card that has 5 gigabytes of data on it, it will take an image that is 32 gigabytes inside. So this is a pretty important space saving measure. We can then go ahead and hit the read option and we'll see that the progress is happening quite quickly there and a file is starting to be created on our desktop. Through the power of video editing, we can skip straight ahead to when the read was successful and the backup image is stored on our computer. So you can see it listed here. If you guys would like to find out how to restore from this backup, then go ahead and check out my video in the video description on how to do exactly that. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.